delta theta 2 x3 minus x1 divided by delta x. Like this. These are the three positions of the input link. It could be written as theta 2 dash, it could be written as theta 2 dash, it could be written theta double 2 dash, it could be written theta triple dash. It could be written like this. And the corresponding values of angles of the output link are or can be written as corresponding values of angles of the output link can be written as theta 4 1. Theta 4 1 is equal to theta 4s plus delta theta 4 y1 minus ys. Right? It is 1. It is corresponding to this. Suppose the initial position of the angle of the input link is this much, and the corresponding value of the angle of the output link will be this much. It can be calculated with the help of this formula, and this can be calculated with the help of this formula. Similarly, for this angle, the corresponding value of the output link is theta 4 2 is equal to theta 4 1 plus theta 4 y2 minus y1 delta y. When input crank rotates by this angle, output crank rotates by this much angle. When input crank rotates by this angle, the output crank rotates by this angle. Theta 4 3 is equal to theta 4 3. इसके corresponding value will be theta 4 1. That will be theta 4 1 plus delta theta 4, and it will be y3 minus y1 divided by delta y. So our intention is to find the three values of output link rotation corresponding to the three values of the input links of rotation. Theta 2 1 initial value, and the corresponding value of the output link is theta 4 1. Theta 2 2 the second value of the rotation of input link, and corresponding value of the output link's rotation will be this much. And theta 2 3 is the third rotation of the input link, and corresponding value of rotation of the output link is theta 4 3, and it can be written like this. Once we are in a position to know their values or three sets of rotations of the input link and the output link, then we can easily find the values of K1, K2, K3 from the Frudenstein equation. I told you in the very beginning, to find the values of K1, K2 and K3, there should be three sets of coordinates of theta 2 and theta 4. So we want three sets, theta 2 1, theta 2 2, theta 2 3, and corresponding values of rotation of the output link, theta 4 1, theta 4 2, and theta 4 3. Once we know these values, we can find the values of K1, K2 and K3. Is it okay? You have to remember these relations. All the numerical problems after this problem can be solved like this. Once you remember this procedure, you can solve each and every problem, but you will have to remember it. Now, I go back to that point. I go back to that point which we were discussing last, revert to this, and theta 2s. Theta 2s is equal to, it is given in the numerical problem itself, 30 degree. Theta 4s, it is 0 degree. Delta theta 2 is equal to 90 degree, and delta theta 4 is also 90 degree. Because in the numerical problems, I go to the numerical problem once again, and the numerical problem says the input crank is to start. The input crank is to start. That is the starting angle of the input crank. The input crank is to start from 30 degree. So theta 2s is equal to 30 degree. And to have a range of 90 degree range. The range is delta theta 2 is 90 degree. Now, take output crank angle from 0. Starting of the crank, output crank is theta 4 is 0. It is written in the numerical itself. The take output crank angle from 0 to 90. That is the range, 0 to 90. Delta theta 4 is 90 degree. It is given in the numerical problem itself, in the question itself. Now, what is the value of delta x? Delta x. Delta x is equal to x final value minus x starting value. What is the final value of x? It is 4. Starting value of x was 1. So delta x is equal to 3. It is given in the numerical itself. X is 1 to 4. Initial value of x, starting value is 1, and final value of x is equal to 4. Similarly, corresponding value of y or delta y you can find. Delta y is equal to yf minus ys. Yf is equal to ys. Final value was found to be 8 and initial value 1. So delta y is equal to 7. Suppose right. Now, I come back to, is it clear? Delta x is equal to final x minus initial x. Delta y is equal to final y minus initial y is equal to this value. I go back to the calculation of y21. Y21 is equal to theta 21 is equal to theta 2s plus x1 minus xx divided by delta x. That is the formula. Theta 21 we have to find out is equal to, what is this value? This value, what is this value? Theta 2s. What is theta 2s? What is theta 2s? It is given. Theta 2s is equal to 30 degree. It is given, starting value, plus 30 degree. X1 is equal to 1. X1 is equal to, what is x1? 1.2. X1 is found to be 1.2. And xs is equal to 1. Delta x is equal to 3. So, it comes out to be 30 degree plus 0.2 by into multiplications. We have something is in multiplication, and the multiplication was 90. Multiplication was delta theta 2, delta theta 2. I have presented this formula earlier. It is 1.2 by 3 into 90, 30, and it comes out to be 36. Delta, here it is 36. Now, theta 2 is equal to theta 2 is equal to theta 2 is equal to theta 21 plus delta theta 2 x2 minus x1 divided by delta x. It is 36 already calculated. Delta theta 2 90 and it is equal to 36 plus 90 x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. x2 was 2.5 minus x1 is equal to x1.2 divided by 3. So theta 2 comes out to be 75 degree. Theta 21 36, theta 22 75 degree. Now theta 23, theta 23 theta 23. I think you are getting every point thoroughly. Theta 23. Theta 23 is equal to theta 21 plus delta theta 2 x3 minus x1 divided by delta x. This is the formula already given to you. So delta theta 21 is equal to 36 plus this is 90 x3 is how much? 3.799 minus x1 is equal to 1.2 divided by delta x is equal to 3. So it comes out to be 113.97 theta 23. So I am able to find the value of theta 21, theta 22 and theta 23. Now I want to find the corresponding value of theta 21, that is the corresponding value of theta 21 in the output link will be theta 41. And the corresponding value of theta 22 on the output link will be theta 42. Corresponding value of output link, corresponding value of the input link, that is theta 23, on the output link will be theta 43. So I have to find the corresponding values to theta 21, theta 22 and theta 23 on the output link. So first value is this, and theta 41 is equal to theta 4s plus delta theta 4 y1 minus ys divided by delta y. Initial value or starting value of the output link will be 0. This is 0 plus and this range was found to be 90 degree. 90 degree. Delta y, ys minus y minus ys was found to be 7. 8 minus 1. It was found to be 7. Delta y 7. Y1, what was y1? Y1 was 1.314. 1.314 and ys was 1. So this value of theta 41 was found to be, theta 41 was found to be 4 degree. It was found to be 4.064 degree. Now, theta 42. Theta 42. Theta 42 is corresponding to theta 22. Theta 42 is equal to theta 41 plus delta theta 4 into y2 minus y1 divided by delta y. Theta 41 is equal to 4.064 already calculated plus this is 90 delta theta 4 y2 minus y1. y2 was calculated as 3.593 minus y1 was found to be minus 1.314 divided by delta y, that is 7. So it comes out to be 37.99 degree. Similarly, we can calculate the value of theta 43, that is theta 41 plus delta theta 4 y3 minus y1 divided by delta y. So this is 4.064 plus 90 y3 means what is y3? y3 that is 7.404 minus 1.314 divided by 7. It comes out to be 82.36 degree. So I am in a position to present the three values of rotation of the output link as well as three values of rotation of the input link. They can be presented like this. They can be presented in tabular form like this. Rotation of the input link, three rotations of input link. Three corresponding rotations of output link. They can be put like this. Number 1, theta 21 was found to be 36 degree and theta 41 was found to be 4.064 degree. Number 2, theta 22 was found to be 75 degree, and the corresponding value of theta 4142 was found to be 37.99 degree. And third, theta 23 was found to be 113.97 degree, and theta 43 was found to be 82.36 degree. Now, putting these values, the values of three rotations of input link as well as corresponding rotations of the output link in Prudence-Stein equation. Prudence-Stein equation, that is Prudence-Stein equation, I again write it, K1 cos theta 4 minus K2 cos theta 2 plus K3 is equal to cos theta 2 minus theta 4. There are three sets of equations. One, you write theta 2 as 36 degree and theta 4 as 4 degree. Then there will be one set. The second set will be theta 2 will be 75 degree and theta 4 will be 37.99 degree. There will be another set. The third set will be theta 2 will be 113.97 degree and theta 4 will be 82.36 degree. So there will be three sets of equations and there will be three unknowns, K1, K2 and K3. You can find their values, K1, K2 and K3. Once you find or you are in a position to determine the values of K1, K2 and K3, you can find the values of dimensions of the four bar linkage, that is A, B, C and D, because A, B and C and D are connected to or are related to K1, K2 and K3. For example, suppose you find K1, K2 and K3. I told you in the very beginning, K1 is connected to the dimension as D by K and K2 is connected as D by C. Is it okay? K3 is connected to A square minus B square plus C square plus D square divided by 2AC. The first and foremost thing before you is to find the values of K1, K2 and K3. Once you determine these values, you can find the dimensions of the linkage. Assuming that one of the dimensions is 1. Either you can assume D is equal to 1 or you can assume A is equal to 1. But the determination of the values of K1, K2 and K3 will purely dependent on the values of three sets of rotations of the input link as well as output link. You will have to find this value with the given formula which I presented. You will have to find this value and corresponding value of theta 42. You will have to find theta 23 and corresponding value of theta 43. Then you can solve the problem. Sometimes in the solution, the values of A comes out to be negative. Suppose it is minus 3.5 after calculations. It means the minus sign or negative signs indicates that the direction of A has reversed itself. Initially it was like this. Initially the linkage was like this. It was like this. Here it is A. If A is after calculation comes out with negative value, it means it will be this side. A, B. If B, C comes with negative side, it means it will be this side, and so on. So you can go through various solved problems based on this formula, and you will be fully conversant with the solutions. This is a last lecture of analysis and synthesis of machines. Go through it, and next week we will have a test from this chapter. There will be numerical problem. Thank you, everyone.